Welcome back to Vareva. Today is very special because I'm going to cook some easy, tasty, meaty recipes using TenderCuts. Freshly cut after you order. Special recipes need special cuts. The first recipe is Pepper Chicken Masala using chicken drumsticks. Add some oil in a pan. Add whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, bay leaf, lots of curry leaf. Finely chopped onion, add some salt and fry the onions till they are slightly colored. When the onions are slightly golden, add ginger garlic paste, turmeric, green chili, chili powder, some coriander powder, pinch of garam masala and a little bit of tomato puree. And also add some water. As a professional chef, I have spent considerable amount of time in mastering cuts of meats. And today, I order my meats from TenderCuts because some things sometimes you have to leave it to experts, especially when it is genuine, good quality meat at affordable price. Add the chicken drumsticks. Add some more water. Let it cook for 10 minutes, covered. Cook it on a slow flame till all the juices get little concentrated. Pepper, freshly ding-chicked. Add freshly crushed pepper on the chicken. The dish is ready to serve. Oh, beautiful. When the meat is from TenderCuts, it's guaranteed to be tender. Pepper chicken masala. It's juicy and tasty. Wow. Now on the second recipe, my favorite chicken biryani. One biggest problem lot of people face is resolved today. What is the most important thing in any non-vegetarian biryani? It is the cut of meat. I have ordered biryani cut from TenderCuts so many times and every time it's perfect. So just like a professional chef who has mastered cooking, they have mastered the cuts. Here I have got the chicken. The pieces are so perfect, not too big, not too small, and just right for a perfect biryani. Earlier when I used to go to meat market, I used to find it very unhygienic. In contrast, TenderCuts is fresh and very hygienic. With these professionally cut pieces, always your meat will be juicy and perfectly cooked in a biryani. I have made hundreds of biryani recipes. You can try any one of them with this. So I'm going to have ginger garlic paste, green chili, mint, chili powder, little bit of garam masala and cumin powder, coriander powder and brown onions, curd, coriander, salt, lime juice, some kevra water and oil. Mix all of this. Since the chicken is from TenderCuts, you can make the biryani right away. Still, it comes out juicy and tasty. Pour the entire mixture into the biryani handi and spread the pieces evenly. Now you know the biryani drill. You're going to cook the rice till it is around 70% done and put it on top of this. Add some oil to the boiling water, whole garam masala for flavoring and little bit of shahi jeera. Make the water salty like sea water. Add the basmati rice to the hot boiling water. Mix this rice once and cook it till it is 70% done. The rice is 70% cooked. Now we're going to top this rice over this beautiful chicken. Wow, rice just perfect to go on top of this chicken. Some brown onions, my loving mint, some saffron water. Put a lid that is airtight and let it cook for 30 minutes. First 10 minutes on a medium-high flame, then medium flame. Last 5 to 10 minutes on a slow flame. Your biryani will be ready, juicy. We can even do this Ulta biryani. That's how much I'm confident about this tender chicken. Now the biryani is ready. Let's do the Ulta biryani. So to make the Ulta biryani, all you need to do is take it, ultify. Oh, that's okay. And this is what I wanted to show you. Each piece at the bottom of the biryani will get slightly colored. The best flavor of the biryani comes when each piece is slightly colored like this. Biryani is perfect when you see that golden color rice along with this well done chicken. The beautifully done rice. What else you need in life? A perfect biryani that is easy, tasty and meaty. Let's enjoy this awesome chicken biryani. I ulta-fied this biryani for you. Perfect biryani has to be first enjoyed with a tender bite. First the chicken, how juicy and perfect it is. Fuming, juicy, absolutely boomba boomba. Wow. To enjoy this biryani with meat so juicy, you got to download the TenderCuts app from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Scan this freshness tracker where you can get full details of your order.